Alright guys, a little marketplace finds here. Honda Recon 250 and this old KTM 50 Senior. Guess we need to clean them up and see if they'll run, huh? Let's get up in there. Give it a little power wash and it's just getting pinker, so let's get after the heat gun. So it's very pink. I started over here, kind of getting a bit red. I'm gonna put this for a minute to see what I can get done. You can see that red square was there. You gotta watch the labels or you're cooking. Now this doesn't work as great on Honda Red as it does the Yamaha Red. But as you can see, white, pink, back to a red color instead of pink at least. We're gonna do this whole front end. Whole rear end back there. Get some of this oxidation off. Markers out here. Getting rid. All right, got the carb out of there a little bit. I'm gonna take the choke cable off, set it up on the bench, drain this tank and clean this carburetor. See where we're at afterwards. It's pretty gross. Brown. There you go. Hopefully we can clean it. It's a factory original carburetor. They run a lot better with these than they do with an aftermarket one. Look at that crap. It's a trip. It's like a strobe. What the fuck? It's emitting all kinds of colors. Crazy because there's all the stars. None of them are doing this. Look at. And it's not moving. What in the hell? It's not moving. Here's all the other stars. No matter which one I zoom in on, they don't do that. They're not flashing. They're only emitting one color. But that one, bunch of chunkies in there. Old bad fuel. Somebody's been in here before. You can see that. Put some RVT on that gasket, I guess. I'm gonna get the jets out, clean it up, clean this up. This thing should be running. Let's see. I got the carb all cleaned up, put back on this one, battery in. I run it on this test bottle. I gotta clean this tank out in the morning. I also got the KTM carb all clean, put back on, tank drain. I'm gonna put the sprocket and stuff back on here in a second, and then should be firing it up in the morning too. The headlights, tail light, nice piece of leather. Make sure it's relatively close, all fits around. I don't want to waste any, but you know, this is unnecessary. It'll make it harder to. Okay, it's perfect. So this I go throw in the dryer. It's just an old piece of vinyl. That's in the dryer. I take this and cut it out and fill out. See all them bumps? Somebody made this seat cover Hell, they just glued it on. Look. A little glue. All right. Got the seat cover on. No more imperfections. It's a little dusty because I was finishing on that table. Now we're gonna slime all these tires. So full little tune up on this. Carb gone through, new battery, new seat cover. Turn on the key, Reagan. Hit the starter button. Start pretty easy. Let me show you how to put it in reverse. See this R, push it down, hold it down, pull the lever back, push down on the shifter. Reverse, let go. Go easy on the throttle, man, this sucker moves. Full tune-up, boys. That way you don't fall off. I mean, that way if you fall off, I don't run you over. Or I do. I just keep going. Look, Reagan's missing.
Oh no!
Last time I seen him, I
have to reverse.
I don't know where he's going. I said, don't go over there. Reagan's got his helmet, dudes. He might try and climb this. Oh, lucky. Reagan wants to see if he can crawl it. Sorry about that. So you're getting on it at an angle, that's tougher. All right, hold on. Let her back up. Here, I'll pull you back. This time keep a little bit of momentum. Keep it straight. All right, go ahead. No donuts. Go. He immediately starts trying to do a donut because he seen me earlier. What do you think about that one? The camera. Scoot back, stay on. That's where it really tries to kick us, huh?
Yeah.
Like try not to wheel it on one of these buckets. Get out.
Oh no, not Taylor's car.
There you have it, guys. Who wants to try and guess what I paid for it, and who wants to guess what I'm gonna ask for it? But that thing, comment and let me know what you think I paid for it, like it was, and what you think I'll get for it. And I'll be responding to the first comments, at least for the first couple hours on this video. Get up in there, lots more coming. And basic tune-up. Carburetor clean, seat cover, battery, oil change, heated the plastics up a little bit, slimed the tires. When somebody shows up on a Honda Recon, you know they're not gonna, it's one of two things. They're either a rancher, or two, when they ride it, they ain't gonna give no F's. So, they're fun, right?
Yeah.
Does you think it's light, like a little sport quad?
Yeah. I tried not to do a wheelie on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the tires spin when you went up that hill?
Yeah.
Almost lost it.
Like, it's super light. I could just pull it like.
Oh, I know. Lots more coming, guys. Two-stroke DRR 50, or two-stroke Cassia 50. This Sky team we're working on, KTM we're working on, DRR 50. We're working on lots more coming. Get up in there.